Hello, my family. Bathonke. Ke le gopotsa ga lang gopola mara. So, moving right along. Today, on getting why it's okay rata mopo. And because the weather is allowing, and la bona marulona sentsena a rile zaza, a sentsena a batla gore a tshware pula yona. And na ke rata weather e yalo ge bona. I'm very flexible when it comes to that weather. How was your Wednesday? Family, how was your Wednesday? I hope it was good. I hope you've been great to yourself. I hope you have been resting. You've been doing what needs to be done. And you will not give up. If something that wasn't supposed to happen happened, you dust yourself up and you try again. Giving up is not an option because the mere fact that you are still here, we still have to get more from you. There are greater things that are coming that are only for you. You and you and you and you alone. Believe me when I say the storm. It will not rain forever. The storm nazo, that is what happens. And in order for people to grow, there needs to be challenges. If you must be worried about yourself. Everything more it's a mafela, there's no So how are you going to know how are you going to know you have got this extra skills that you might find out during the challenges that comes in your life? Embrace them. They are there to teach you something so that you can grow. Anyway, moving right along. And that is what I'm gonna be boiling today. I was in the mood of cooking. Today, but then I thought again, mopo wa kgale ne ha ba nkitse mara nna ke kgatlhiwa ka seo se sengwe ke ba boditse straight ka re bona wa a ke re langitse ne ko no fam. Let's switch you, baby. Let's switch you on. Ke re langitse ke ha se ka mo maswe. I like supporting them. I like supporting black business guys. Mara, you're not gonna sell into essential because ke go bolela ha mnate jwang gore nna ke rata mopo o metsi. You as a seller of the mealie, you must know your stuff. Now I know them, but because I was in the car, like ke le mo koleng ke mo kopa gore go pontle yesa di thutse itere tsa mo a so mongwe na mo thusa mo so a so ke a bona gore ke moraro itse ke a se aka a ke ba tsore ka sa nebe ke lwana lwena ke kopa o mbile tsentate o wa nkitse ke phela ke reka and he knows the kind of Jose didn't know these things didn't know. He knows the kind of ladies that I like. So kopa o mmitse a tlo ntlhopela mo ke batla dithutseitere. And she went and meet her and the guy asked. But because ke a bona gore mopo o kgotlhagane and normally mopo o metsinyana, not too much watery, o metsinyana o kira o le monyanyana o phatlhaletse o le smartnyana wa bo. So be ke moraro wa itse ra ke re ga ile gore ha se wona go busa go tla go boetse the way go boetseng ka teng. Be ke tla ke tlo go bontsha ona gore o rekisitse something se se wrong. because I ke batla gore ke reke selo ebe ke se lela bathong ke itse go tshwana le go apaya ke itse apaya so ga tshwantsene ke reke di-take away tse di tshwanang le bo mapapa so ebe motho o reka papa o reka rice dijo fela plate a teng ebe e tsaya fela Schoeman Highway pelo ya ka e nna botlhoko because ke ikomenyetse gore normally plate di a tura and I understand nkutlwang gore ka reng di a tura because everything the economy is too high so like I know how to cook. I was just supporting a fellow black person. Mzanzi. And this is what I get. But anyways, here I am. It's just irritating me because and I am back, family. And obviously because the pot is a little bit big. So ke rata go apa mobo ka yona because like mobo khona gore o iketle ene o butse mnat o butse hamnat because I like taking time when it comes to cooking but whatever I do in the kitchen before if I get lamp on. Let's get out of the little heads. You can see for it. Here I am. Here I am. Let's have a lower give me the lyrics about because the one had kind of working copyright what. But the Marlison tell no problem. And I sent them to grab on. I can become a 2K. I can become a Gen Z. I respect you, my babies, ne? And again, time I don't marry, like, yeah. Little Nana, I told that other things, say no for it. Hey, enjoy and get more pillow. But anyway, this is how everything looks. And I'm gonna boil it. And this is going to be my lunch. M7 and some salad. Because yeah, but the veggies are all the shop on they are not fresh. They are not fresh and like I said, like it's a matapa. But anyway, my day was very nice because I was working. Like I once went through a lot emsebenzini. That time will come nayo. Nina izan batho ba gae. Itlang family. Itlang bolelle ba bangwe, le bona le ba bolelle ba bangwe, le bona ba bolelle ba bangwe ke. Yes. Ke April ngwanaka, I'm enjoying my son's month. Yeah? O startile ka yona April Fool. Wa tlhaloganya gore go e rata o tlela ka di-date. Tlebentse bona. Moody ele good. Guys, ngiyanthanda ne. Thank you for coming through, and I hope you had a marvelous day, and I hope Oguti, whatever you could be going through, you know Oguti, we are with you. Mna per se, I'm with you. Yaktandazela, and everything will be okay. The situation will never be like that forever. And for those that are having dilo tse di monate ba go fetsa go graduate, congratulations are in order, botaling lona ba le fetsang gore le kry-e boshati ba le etsang so gore baba bonang ne. Congratulations are in order, all of you guys. Like, love you guys.